counsel with the petitioners, counsel to the petitioners, counsel to the respondents, all agreed that instead of having this matter adjourned to tomorrow, Friday, come back adjourned, the best thing is for us to file all the motions, all the applications, serve parties, and then come back Wednesday next week, the 17th, and have it adopted or argued. That way, we will save time and ensure that expeditious hearing of the petition and for the pre-trial to continue. But there is an application we filed yesterday. I believe it will be of immense interest to you, gentlemen of the press. We are asking that the Honorable Court should allow live streaming and broadcasting of the proceedings of the court from day to day, whenever the court is sitting. Because it was something introduced by the colonial masters, but they have moved on, and we are still in the ancient age. So we feel that we should depart from that and adopt modernity, because some African countries are now live streaming their proceedings. I don't see why Nigeria shouldn't. So that was why we filed this application, so that it won't be just a matter of you hanging out here. You can come in if the court allows it, if the court grants it. And some of you, as much as the court can accommodate, will come in with your cameras and be filming the proceedings in real time. After all, the court is a public place. Members of the public have a right to be in court, subject to space. But since the space is small, can't accommodate perhaps more than 200 or so, or less than 200, apart from the what is there at the foyer or lobby. It's just not enough in our view, and that is part of democracy. That is part of constitutionalism. And so that's it.
Thank you very much, sir.
So after that, you people will if the application is granted, you will thank us.
And pay us. And pay us. Yes.
In God we trust.
Amen. 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 Are we done?
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah, that's it. Otherwise, if somebody will just Hold on, sir.
That should be done without fear or favor. And the Lord, the bar will take all such steps to ensure that we cooperate with the tribunal. As your Lordship has enjoined, we will ensure that we ensue all manner of technicalities and we will present our cases before your Lordship in the most decent and professional way. And my Lord, all we need to say is that we join our voice to the opening prayer to wish your Lordship good health, God guidance in the discharge of this onerous task of which is an
KK on the inaugural sitting of the Rivers State Tribunal 1. May Lord, the chairman and the member of the panel, it is with the greatest humility that the MPA Abuja branch accepts this invitation of the Honorable Tribunal to participate in this auspicious occasion of the inaugural sitting of the panel. The MPA Abuja branch welcomes my Lord and all the parties and their council to the city of Abuja and wishes you a good stay. The MPA Abuja branch has total confidence in this panel and in the process and urges my Lord to discharge their responsibilities without fear or favor to ensure the confidence of the people. The bar also urges all parties and their lawyers.
Good morning. My name is Moses Alfred Debute, Senior Advocate of Nigeria, Abuja based. I was representing Honorable Kingsley Shinda, a member of the House of Rep and re-elected for the next tenure again. Well, my expectation first and foremost is that this tribunal is ready to work and to dispense justice in accordance with the law without fear or favor. And again, that the fears of insecurity in Port Harcourt has been allayed by the movement of the tribunal to Abuja. So whatever fears litigants and their counsel will have ordinarily had before now, I think there is no reason for that anymore. So we'll have a peaceful atmosphere to do our work as both as litigants and counsel. And even the judges to be have a rest of mind to work. It will be met because some of the petitions, they have just few witnesses, and two, again, this tribunal, for instance, has just 15 petitions. So bearing in mind that there will be few witnesses to be called, and then some even files motions to withdraw their petitions. So I feel that even before 150 days, many of the petitions would have been terminated.
My name is Michael Awo Eje. I'm the Public Secretary of the MPA Abuja branch. I am here representing the chairman of the branch. Yes, we have full and total confidence in the ability of this tribunal, and that is why we are here to support them and to welcome them officially to Abuja. There's no doubt that, from the speech that the chairman of the panel has given and the support speech by the panelist one, we have confidence that the process will be met. Yeah, of course, there will be no such irregularity. We have full confidence in this process that I can assure the public.